Euroworld, good morning. Can I help you?
Yes, this is Tony White. I'd like to speak to Ms. Abimbola, extension 43, please.
Hold on, please. I'll put you through.
Karen Abimbola, good morning.
Good morning. This is Tony White. I'm calling about your job ad for travel guides.
Yes, and what would you like to know exactly?
Well, is this position also open for summer jobs?
Yes, that's possible. The summer months are our busiest period, of course.
I see. And could you tell me if the working hours are flexible or not?
That's hard to say. It depends on the schedule of the particular group of tourists. But one thing to keep in mind is that weekends are the busiest times.
Yes, of course. And one more question. How many hours a week is it on average?
It varies between 20 and 30 hours per week.
I see. Well, the job sounds very interesting.
I'll be looking forward to receiving your letter of application then. In the meantime, if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to call back.
You've been most helpful, Ms. Abimbola. Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye.